Hi, this is Jeff, and this is some wood butter I just made, and it's a 4-to-1 ratio. It's 4 parts of mineral oil and 1 part of beeswax, and that one jar right there lasted me over a year. Of course, I don't do a lot of woodworking, but it's you make it for pennies, takes 5 minutes, and you'd probably buying something like that size in a big store, you'd probably spend $20 on it, or who knows how much, probably more than that. But yeah, it costs pennies to make, and it really works well, and I really like it, and it's good for your hands too. So yeah, and well, thank you for watching, and keep watching for more videos. Thank you. Bye.